Put an orchid and it's grown so much and I am so happy. It's a woodpecker that lives in this tree. Start with stones and then charcoal as a seed. From this size they go to this size, and then they go to that size, and then they can grow bigger and bigger and bigger depending on the pot you put them in. My name is Celine. Nabale Kalabo Kamkama Celine. I'm 11 years old. I go to Aspen Junior School and I live with my nana and all my beautiful plants. I started to love plants one time. I had gone to Alistock to get a book that I really wanted, and then we were passing by and I saw MauaAndMore and I wanted that. I saw a plant that I loved and I told Nana we take the book back and we get that plant. At that time I was 3.5 and I started loving plants from there, asking Nana just one more, and soon enough I had this collection. I love each one of them because they're all special in their own unique kind of way. Bromeliads were the eye-catching plant that I saw at Maua, and I got different types. So there's this one, there's that, and I got these two when I went to Kenya as a birthday gift. And then there are 2 different earth stars. I have many of some, I have less of some, but I love them all and they're all unique. Bromeliads have always seemed so exotic to me, and I like them because they don't need heavy soil and they can grow on like palms, trees, wood, and they're just my favorites as well. Sometimes it can actually be really hectic because I have school. I'm in year 6, which is like P6, and I'm going to year 7, and the work is also a lot. But luckily at my school we come back home a bit earlier at 4, so I have time to garden. Then I also have 3 dogs that I love with all my heart, and sometimes they go in the plants and I get really annoyed at them, but I still manage to do all of it, and I thank God I can. So this tree fell down about a year ago, and then I saw someone mounting bromeliads on palms. So I got the idea, and now I've put all of these, the different types. So there's a lot of color. Then I put an orchid. I put an orchid and it's grown so much and I am so happy. And then actually there's a woodpecker that lives in this tree. So Nana wanted to cut it down, but I told her not to because I knew this was a home and it would be useful for plants that are in the bigger polka dots. And then there are these tiny ones, tins. They go to these. Then from these they go to, from those they go to these, and then from this size they go to this size, and then they go to that size, and then they can grow bigger and bigger and bigger depending on the pot you put them in. So I have even gardening tools, because like cacti, everyone knows cacti, they have thorns so they can hurt your hand. So instead you can use tweezers and to remove the plants, the weeds. Terrariums is like a mini jungle in a jar. So I put, for fun, I put a little warthog, and then these are nerve plants. This is a syngonium and this is a fern. And then there's this one. It has a bit more. Start with stones and then charcoal as a seed, sand, the soil, and then moss. So this has this nice syngonium, this rare syngonium. This is also a nerve plant. And then this is an agonima. So if you cut your bromeliad and you're propagating it, and then you realize it doesn't have roots, you can put it in water and it will grow roots. I realized that when I put the pink princess in soil, it stopped growing. It started turning green. It shrunk, like literally shrunk. had like 1 or 2 leaves left, and I was so worried about it. And then I also have the white princess that's not doing so well yet. You can see it has like 1.5 leaves, a bit more, because the more you actually, when you prune, it grows. So actually it was growing tall, and I chopped off and put it somewhere else, and then these two appeared, and there is also this one that's coming. My wish list, I have the desert rose, the moon cactus, and then philodendrons. I have the black cherry. Now it's almost like the pink princess, but it's bigger, and the green is more of a darker green. Then there's the white knight. Then there's philodendron fat boy.